Hi friends, welcome to CNR English Academy. இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் SGT and TET paper 1 and 2 ஓட இங்கிலீஷ் சப்ஜெக்டில் இருந்து 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய லைன் பை லைன் Q&A வந்து பார்க்குறோம். இந்த வீடியோவில் 3rd டேர்ம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் அண்ட் செகண்ட் டேர்ம் கண்டினியூஷன்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் அதோட லிங்க் இருக்கும். பார்க்காதவங்க பார்த்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஆன் தட் ஃபைன் நோட்டு மூவ் ஆன் டு த டாபிக். Dash searched for a place to lay her eggs in the prose. Who owns the water? Answer, a tiny bird. Next one, what is the meaning of the word outskirts? Answer, the outer areas of a city or a town. Next one, the land was dash and there was not a bush or tree. Answer, parched, that is very dry. Next one, who discovered a shallow depression in the ground? Answer, the little bird. Next one, the bird used a dash to remove the stones and loosen up the packed earth. Answer, claws. Next one, what is the synonym of the word untenanted? Answer, not occupied. Next one, dash settled his rump into the depression in the prose. Who owns the water? Answer, wild boar. Next one, who scraped and dug, carving a pit of more hospitable proportions in the prose. Who wants the water? Answer, wild boar. Next one, what is the meaning of the word scrabbled? Answer, moved hands and feet around. Next one, the dash departed his daybed without a backward glance in the prose. Who wants the water? Answer, hungry boar. Next one, what is the meaning of the word cozy? Answer, comfortable. Next one, dash is the condition in the atmosphere like rain, wind or temperature at any time. Answer, weather. Next one, dash is the general weather condition of a place. Answer, climate. Next one, dash is one of the 4 periods of the year which has its own typical weather conditions resulting from the earth's changing positions in its orbit around the sun. Answer, seasons. Next one, a pack of a dash catching the scent of boar in the wind came to the spot in the prose. Who owns the water? Answer, wild dogs. Next one, what is the meaning of the word sniffed? Answer, to breathe in air in a noisy way. Next one, who finally realized that there was no dinner in the prose. Who owns the water? Answer, the wild dogs. Next one, what is the synonym of the word snarled? Answer, made a deep angry noise. Next one, it rained without stopping for a dash days and a dash nights in the prose. Who wants the water? Answer, 3 days and 3 nights. Next one, what is the meaning of the word soaked? Answer, completely wet. Next one, the dash in the ground collected the water that fell around. Answer, hole. Next one, dash turned the hole into a muddy pit. Answer, the buffaloes. Next one, what is the meaning of the word multitude? Answer, a large number of people. Next one, the buffalo dash in the hole. Answer, wallowed. Next one, a dash titled the land near the one small depression. Answer, poor farmer. Next one, in dash months the farmer had to travel far to get water for his thirsty crops. Answer, summer. Next one, what is the meaning of the word gratitude? Answer, thankful. Next one, the farmer brought out his dash and dash. Answer, axe and spade. Next one, who called the village priest to bless their fortune? Answer, wife of the farmer. Next one, what is the meaning of the word summoned? Answer, called. Next one, who chanted seriously something in the prose? Who wants the water? Answer, the priest. Next one, what is the meaning of the word fortune? Answer, luck. Next one, who owned the pond in the prose? Who wants the water? Answer, the rich farmer. Next one, what is the meaning of the word contentment? Answer, satisfaction. Next one, the poem Indian Seasons is written by dash. Answer, Nisha Dairon. Next one, what is the synonym of the word blaze? Answer, bright flame or fire. Next one, Figures of speech. With sunny smiles, monsoon and mangoes, but short and sweet. Answer alliteration. And there is a note here. Figures of speech அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது அந்த பர்டிகுலர் டிவைஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, அதையும் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Leapfrogs and toads. Answer assonance. Next one. Spring is pretty to muddy roads. Answer consonants. Next one. Atom is English, atom is Indian. Answer metaphor. And in the figures of speech எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். From the poem Indian Seasons. Next one. Summer comes in a blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Then seasons change to muddy roads. Monsoons and mangoes, leapfrogs and toads. Spring is pretty but short and sweet. When you can smile the grass from your garden seat. Answer imagery. இதில் நமக்கு எந்த லைனு கொடுத்துட்டு நமக்கு கேட்டாலுமே நமக்கு தெரியணும் இந்த டிவைஸ் வந்து இமேஜரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு நான் நோட் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். புக்கில் அந்தந்த போயம்லேயே கூட வந்து நீங்கள் அந்த லைன்ஸுக்கு நேராக வந்து இமேஜரினா இமேஜரி, மெட்டஃபரோ, அசனன்ஸோ, கான்சனன்ஸோ நீங்கள் அதில் நோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, again figures of speech continued in the poem Indian Seasons. Atom is English, atom is Indian. ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம மெட்டஃபர் அப்படின்ற டிவைஸை வந்து இந்த சேம் லைன்ஸுக்கு பார்த்தோம். அகெயின் அனஃபோரா அப்படின்ற டிவைஸும் இந்த லைனோட மேட்ச் ஆகுது, அதையும் நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். Next one. What is the rhyme scheme of the first stanza in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer AB AB. Next one. What is the rhyme scheme of the second stanza in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer ABCB. Next one. What is the rhyme scheme of the third stanza in the poem Indian Seasons? ABCB. Next one. What is the rhyme scheme of the fourth stanza in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer ABBB. And there is a note here. இந்த மாதிரி ரைம் ஸ்கீம்ஸ், ரைமிங் வேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் மற்ற ஃபிகர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச் எல்லாம் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், ஈஸியாக எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி வீடியோஸுமே கொடுத்துருப்போம். ஐ பட்டனில் உங்களுக்கு அதோட லிங்க் இருக்கும், அண்டு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்லேயுமே உங்களுக்கு அந்த லிங்க் இருக்கும். பார்க்காதவங்க பார்த்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Which season makes the feet dusty in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer summer. Next one. In which season does the frogs and toads will visit? Answer rain. Next one. Who is pretty short and sweet in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer spring. Next one. In which season the leaves will wither? Answer autumn. Identify the rhyming words in the poem Indian Seasons. Answer heat, feet, roads, toads, sweet, sit, brown, down. Next one. What are the seasons mentioned in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer summer, rainy, spring and autumn. Next one. Which word refers to rain in the poem Indian Seasons? Answer monsoon. Next one. Who is the narrator of the story A Childhood in Malabar? M.E. Moore. Answer Kamala Das. Next one. Where did the narrator go? Answer Ambadathil, to the birthday party. Next one. Who were invited for the birthday party? Answer the narrator and Aiton. Next one. What is the name of the relation referred for elder brother in the story? Answer Aiton. What does Edathi mean in Malayalam? Answer brother's wife. Next one. Dash in Malayalam means mother's mother. Answer Ammamma. Next one. What is the name of the Edathi in the story? Answer Meenakshi. Next one. Dash took the narrator and her brother to the serpent shrine. Answer Maladi Kutti. Next one. What are the things setted out to the snakes by Meenakshi Edathi in the story? Answer turmeric, milk and bananas. Next one. Dash was a distant relative of the Ambadathil family. Answer Meenakshi Edathi. Next one. Meenakshi Edathi's face perpetually wearing an expression that asked for a dash. Answer forgiveness. Next one. Who was welcoming the oracle with an offering of paddy when Aiton came in a procession? Answer Meenakshi Edathi. Next one. Who was churning the curd and taking out the butter for the children? Answer Meenakshi Edatti. Next one. Who drawn designs with rice batter on the door? Answer Meenakshi Edatti. Next one. What is the festival celebrated in the story? Answer Nira festival. Next one. Dash never come out when human beings are watching. Answer snakes. Next one. The dash will glide out as soon as we go away. Answer black Krishna Sarpam. Next one. Malathi Kutti came back to dash. Answer Nalapat. Next one. The seat of the swing that hung from the dash tree fell down. Answer Ilanji. Next one. Dash refers to father's mother in Malayalam. Answer Muttashi. Next one. What does Tekini mean? Answer backyard. Next one. Dash suggested the children to chant Akshara slokams to forget fear. Answer Cheriyamma. Next one. The rain will never stop because it's a dash in the story. Answer whirlwind. Next one. A dash whining in the western yard in the story. Answer dog. Next one. They suddenly heard the sound of the rain from the dash like a roar. Answer southwest. Next one. The dash with 4 pillars began to overflow. Answer central hall. Next one. There are knee-deep water in the dash. Answer courtyard. Next one. I want to see Kutti Oppu. Who stated the above line in this story? Answer Malathi Kutti. Next one. Will the house collapse? Who uttered the above line in the story? Answer Muttashi. Next one. The dash crashed down due to heavy rain. Answer coconut palm. Next one. Dash wanted to see Kutti Oppu. Answer Malathi Kutti. And இந்த டேர்மில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அதர் யூனிட்ஸோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் கண்டினியூ ஆகும். இதில் உங்களுக்கு வேறு ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா வழக்கம் போல் கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் சொல்லுங்கள். அப் டு திஸ் ஐ கன்க்ளூட். இதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல வீடியோவில் உங்களை நான் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.